Okay guys, so here we got the SuperATV flip up windshield on the Uforce 1000XL. Just wanted to make a quick video going over some of the mods that I did on it, just to make it a little better. So the first thing that I ended up doing was putting on the windshield wiper. So this is just a, generic, whatever, $25 one off Amazon. And what I'll do, I'll put in some clips right now of the installation of it. So all I did basically was drill out one of these holes. So I'll remove the bolt, drill out this hole that goes through the plate on the windshield itself, and then just mount the wiper through there. So super easy to do. Highly recommend, especially, winter's approaching. So once we get the snow on the windshield, it's nice to be able to just easily get it off. So yeah, super easy to do. Highly recommend that. It was only 20 bucks. The next thing I did, I'll just put in a couple clips too. So everyone knows with the SuperATV windshield, there's this huge gap where the windshield itself flips. So what I did is I just got some bulb seal. I got a 90-degree piece and a straight piece. And off this plate, there's you can see here, there's a lip. So you just put one of the bulbs on there and then one of the bulbs on this cross member, and that just seals this up so you don't have air blowing through. So makes a big difference. It's just like a day. These songs that won't. And then the last thing I just did, so I just put on a clear piece of vinyl. It's like a clear bra for on a car. So I just put that on now. It's just drying. So we'll see what that looks like. What I was hoping to do is, instead of, running into issues with the windshield and scratching it, I was hoping that I can just basically swap out this piece of vinyl as I go. So, maybe after 3 months it's scratched, pull it off, replace it. It's only 10 bucks. And then I don't have to deal with any scratches on the windshield itself. So I'll keep you guys updated, see how that goes. But so far it looks pretty good. I already scratched it, so it scratches pretty easy, it looks like. So I'll have to keep an eye on that and see how long it actually lasts. But yep, figured it was kind of a good idea and pretty easy. So it's a good windshield overall. There are, I don't like this big gap here. I'll probably put a bulb seal up around here as well, just to kind of box that in a bit. But overall, very happy with it. So yeah, there you go. Have a good one.